So the transmission is basically done. This was our used bell housing. We painted it red. This was our used transmission. Obviously, we painted it. We degreased it, took it to the car wash, hosed it off really good. That's our welded ear. We don't have a bolt in it right now because we're getting ready to put this in the car so we can measure for the dry shaft. But this is the transmission's got to come back out. We got to actually put the clutch on the engine. But yeah, and we still got to take this crap out here and put a plug in that. But yeah, our $75 transmission looks pretty good. What do you say?
I think it's great. Finally going in the car. I'm happy.
Yeah, me too.
Finally going in.
Me too. All right. Well, there's the car. There's the engine. Let's put them together. So this is where we're at. The engine is in. This transmission mount is got bolts started in it. It's pretty much where it goes. I think this actually probably needs to go on the other side though. This needs to go on the other side of that, I think. But you know what? It can't because it's all over the fuel pump. So basically, the engine needs to come up a hair in the front. Okay, well, hey, it's in there. That's kind of the important thing right now. We know what we're up against. I think we just got super lucky that this side here happened to have some kind of a alignment to it where we could put a bolt in it. That side there probably did too, but you can see where somebody cut it off. Or this thing probably would have sat right in there. Okay, so we got to raise it up a little bit. Not the end of the world. So, tell you what, let's end it off there. I'm a little hot and tired. How are you doing?
Me too.
All right, I think we're going to put all this stuff up. Looks like it's going to rain here pretty soon. And we have small shop problems. Half the stuff's outside. So thanks for watching, and hopefully next time you see this thing, it's running. See ya.